picture.
Yeah, yeah.
JetBlue Airways welcomes you to Boston, where the local time is 10:14 p.m. For your safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened and carry your names put away until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Be careful in opening overhead bins as items tend to shift during flight. We will confirm the carousel for all checked bags once you've arrived at the gate. If you have a receipt that says claim at gate, you may pick up your items outside the front boarding door. If you receive a small white ticket by any chance, you can collect those items at the carousel. If you need any help getting off the plane, feel free to remain seated after you've arrived at the gate so we may better assist you.
We still have to get to the gate before the doors open. I don't know what's going to happen.
For information on connecting flights and baggage claim, feel free to check airport monitors or download our free JetBlue mobile app. Be sure to visit JetBlue.com to learn about a triple loyalty program where you can earn points on all of your flights, starting with this one. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially this New York City-based crew, thank you for flying with us today. For a reminder for customers traveling to Newark, your gate of departure will be C as in Charlie 18. For customers traveling on to New York City's John F. Kennedy, your gate of departure is actually C as in Charlie 8, C as in Charlie 8. Ladies and gentlemen, we do have a few customers in the front of the aircraft who have very tight connections. We're requesting that once we've gotten to the gate, that you just remain seated for an extra 30 seconds. That those customers can gather their items and proceed off the aircraft first onto their connecting gates. We appreciate your cooperation.
Oh, so we used to have an office over that round building.